Databox Dropshipping Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description, so check them out if you're interested. Now let's get straight into it. Databox is a business analytics and dashboard tool that helps dropshipping store owners track key performance metrics from multiple platforms in one place. If you're managing ads on Facebook, Google, and TikTok, while also tracking Shopify sales, email marketing, and website traffic, Databox automates data collection and presents real-time insights in an easy-to-understand dashboard. Instead of manually switching between different platforms, Databox provides a centralized view of your business performance, helping you make better decisions to optimize sales and marketing efforts. Features. One of the main features of Databox is multi-source data integration. It connects with over 70 platforms, including Shopify, Google Analytics, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, and email marketing tools like Klaviyo and MailChimp. The custom dashboard builder allows users to visualize KPIs in real time, tracking revenue, conversion rates, ad spend, and customer acquisition costs in one place. The goal tracking feature lets dropshippers set performance benchmarks and get automated alerts when they're falling behind or exceeding targets. Another useful feature is mobile access, enabling store owners to monitor their business on the go. Additionally, AI-powered insights help identify trends and opportunities, allowing for faster and smarter decision-making. Strengths. Databox's biggest strength is automation and efficiency. It eliminates manual reporting and saves time by syncing data across platforms. The custom dashboards make it easy to focus on the most relevant KPIs without getting overwhelmed by raw data. Another major advantage is real-time tracking, ensuring store owners always have up-to-date insights for quick decision-making. Scalability is another plus. Databox works for both beginner and advanced dropshippers, allowing them to optimize ad spend, conversion rates, and customer retention with clear, actionable data. Weaknesses. The main downside is pricing. While Databox offers a free version, advanced features require a paid plan, which may be expensive for smaller stores. Another limitation is setup complexity. Configuring integrations and building custom dashboards takes some time, especially for those unfamiliar with data analytics. Additionally, while it provides valuable insights, it doesn't directly optimize or automate marketing efforts, meaning you still need to take action based on the data. Final verdict. If you want a centralized, real-time analytics tool to track and optimize your dropshipping business, Databox is an excellent choice. It saves time, improves decision-making, and helps maximize profitability by integrating data from all key platforms. If you're serious about scaling and data-driven growth, it's a powerful tool. Check out the links in the description to learn more.